Hi friends, so in our today's video we are going to create one dashboard which is a sales dashboard. Okay, so we know what are the different steps for creation of dashboard. So basically in our previous video we have seen the different steps, so we will apply each and every step one by one and we will finalize the dashboard for the given data. Okay, so the first step for creation of any dashboard in Power BI is to understand the business requirement. Okay, basically after getting the data we have to fix what are the different requirements, what we want to visualize from the given data. Okay, so for creation of our today's dashboard we have an e-commerce data set. Okay, so we know how to add the data. Basically we have multiple options for loading the data, so we today also we will use Excel workbook for adding the data or for loading the data. So we have to just go click on this home button. Okay, after that we have to click on this Excel workbook. Okay, after clicking on this Excel workbook it will ask where our data is. So basically our today's data is this one, e-com data. Okay, e-commerce data. So just open this data set. It will take some time for loading because it is a huge data. Okay, so basically this Excel sheet contains three different subsheet. First one is for order, second one is for people, and third one is for return. So we require each and every subsheet. Okay, after that, after loading data, see, after fixing the data or after getting the data, what we have to do, we have to clean the data or we have to transform the data. Okay, so this is the next step. We'll just click on this transform button. So in transform of data, we will just see whether there is any error in the data set or not. Okay, if any error is there in the given data set, okay, what we will do, we will just fix that error. Okay, so basically in this step for transformation of data or cleaning of data, what we have to see just the data type of each and every column. Okay, so in basically if numbers are there, so the data type should be only whole numbers, right? If decimals are there, then it should be decimal only. If mark let's say a written thing is there, right, the data type should be string only, means alphabet or letters only, ABC, like this. Okay, so in transformation of data, the thing is we have to just check whether the data type is correct or not. So I have already checked for this data set. Okay, each and everything is fine. Okay, so what we will do, we will just click on this close and apply button. If you want this data set, you can comment below. I'll mail you the data set. Okay, so basically three subsheets are there. First one is for order, second one is for people, and third one is for return. Okay, so this step is called as loading of data in Power BI. Okay, so we have just loaded each and every data, whatever things are available. Okay, so see in the right side in this field tab we have three different subsheet: orders, people, and return. So we will use this order subsheet for creating our sales dashboard. Okay, so we know while creating the dashboard we have to create a different visuals. Okay, we have to create different visuals for each and everything. Okay, so today as we are creating the sales dashboard, so the first thing is the first visual which we will create is sales by category. Okay, we will find out what is the maximum sale with what is the maximum sale for category wise. Okay, so basically for this what we will do, we will use this column chart. Okay, so this is the column chart. We want to find out sale by category, right? So we will just stick on this category. See, we want to find out, the question is we want to find out which category has maximum sales. Okay, so for that we need sales, so we will just tick mark the cell. See, this summation symbol shows that is a number. Okay, sales has number, and this is the sum of all the sales. Okay, and by category wise we want, so we will just click on this category. So basically three categories are there: technology, furniture, and office supply. Okay, so maximum sales is for this technology category. Okay, so this is our first visual, sales by category. Okay, after that we will find out which market has maximum sales. We have different kinds of market. Okay, so which market had like maximum sales. So for that, what we will do, we will use pie chart. So see, in Power BI, the best thing is we can copy paste the visuals. Okay, so for copying with the visuals, I have pressed Control C for copy, and for pasting the same visuals, I have pressed Control V. So this is the good thing in Power BI. Okay, so the next thing was we want to find out sales by market. Okay, so this time we don't want category, we want market. Okay, so market is here. I'll just untick category and I'll just tick on this market. Okay, so see, this is the sales by markets, but this graph like doesn't show anything, right? So what I'll do, I'll just change to it to pie chart. So for changing it to pie chart, what I have to do, I have to just click on this one, this visual. Okay, and just click on this pie chart. So this visual will get changed to pie chart. Okay, now this looks good. Okay, the next thing is we want to find out sales by subcategory. Okay, we want to find out sales by subcategory. Again, I'll just copy this visual. I'll just paste this visual. See, for arranging this visual in horizontal line, what I'll do, I'll just go on this format button. Okay, align, click on this align button and click on distribute horizontally. So everything will be like in uniform size and shape. Okay, so like till now we have created three visuals. We have created the visual for like maximum sales for each and every category, after that maximum sales for each and every market, and after that maximum sales for instead of market, in the third one we want a subcategory, right? Sales for subcategory. So we will untick the market and tick on this subcategory. Okay, so basically these are the different subcategories and these are the different sales for each and every subcategory. Okay, now the next thing is we don't want this to be pie chart, we want to do this to be a donut chart, right? So we will just click on this visual and we will just click on this donut chart. So this will convert it into a donut chart. Okay, see, we will like finalize the background and each and everything at very last. Okay, at last we will finalize these things. Okay, the like three visuals we have created, like more three visuals we will create. Okay, so the next visual will be an uh, the next visual which we will create will be a tree map. Okay, it will be sales by region. So what we will do, we will just copy this. I'll just align this one. Okay, so sales by visuals we are creating, right? So this is sales by category, so in sorry, sales by region, and we want to create a tree map. So this is the visual for tree map. Okay, I'll just click on this visual, I'll just click on this tree map. Okay, now we want region instead of category. Okay, so I'll just untick this category and I'll just click on this region. Okay, so these are the different like sales by region. So for central region the sales is this one, 2822,302.52. Okay, so this is called as a tree map. Okay, the next thing is I want to create a funnel chart for finding out sales by ship mode. Okay, so I'll just copy this one, paste this one. Okay, so as I want to create a funnel chart for finding out maximum sales for ship mode. Okay, so I'll just click on this visual. Then this is the funnel chart. I'll just click on this funnel chart. Okay, but I want this for sales by ship mode, right? So I'll untick this market. Okay, and I'll tick on this ship mode. Okay, so this is the visual for sales by ship mode, and this is called as a funnel chart. Okay, so it will show the number of sales for each and every ship mode. So basically we have like four types of mode: standard class, second class, first class, and same day. Okay, so we can create one more visual. Okay, the next visual will be sales by country. Okay, so again what I'll do, I'll just copy this visual, I'll just paste this visual. Okay, so let's say I want this chart to be an area chart. Okay, so this is the area chart. Basically, I want sales by country. Okay, so sales is already selected. Instead of subcategory, I'll select country. I'll untick the subcategory. I'll take on this country. But see, like there are a lot of countries, right? There are many countries. So instead of this, what I'll do, okay, I'll just filter out some of the data. Okay, so basically see, for filtering out data we have three options here: basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top n. So basically what is the difference between these? Okay, so basically see, in basic filtering, if you click on this basic filtering, you have this tick option, so you can select the countries by this checkbox. Okay, this is the basic filtering. After that, the second option is advanced filtering. So advanced filtering means you can give any condition. Okay, for example, let's say you want to select the country which contains letter A. So contains, you can type A here and you can apply filter like this. And the third one is top n or bottom n. Okay, so let's say we want to find out top 10 countries, top 7 countries. Let's select, okay, based on sales. So we will just drag the sales in this by value thing and we will just apply filter. Okay, so this will show the sales by country. So for this chart will be better. Spy one. Okay, so these are the top 7 countries by sales. Okay, if you want to change this chart to area one, we can change it like this. Okay, so this is the area chart. So basically till now we have created 6 visuals. The first one was sales by country, which is this one, a clustered bar graph, okay, or clustered column graph, you can see. The next thing is we have created a pie chart for showing sales by market. After that we have created an area chart for showing sales by subcategory. The next thing is we have created a tree map for showing sales by region. After that we have created a funnel chart for showing sales by ship mode. Then we have created a pie chart for showing sales by country. Okay, so this is the basic dashboard. Okay, this will work. Okay, for example, you want each and everything for only technology category. So what we will do, we will just select this technology column here. Okay, so this is the data for technology. Okay, we want only for furniture, so we will select only furniture like this. Let's say we want for both these two, technology and furniture, so like this it will work. Okay, after that, in the dashboard, what is the main thing? Okay, so we want some filters, right? We want some dynamic filters. So for that dynamic filter, what we will do, we will use slices, right? This is very important thing. Okay, so basically today we will use slicer. So for slicer we will use the first slicer will be shipment mode. Okay, see, for slicer visual we have this thing. So this is the slicer one. Okay, we will click on this one, drag this slicer here. Okay, so the first slicer will be ship mode. So we will just click on this slicer visual and we will just click on this ship mode. Okay, but now this is arranged vertically. Okay, we want this slicer to be arranged as horizontally. So what we will do, we will just click on this format your visual thing. Okay, slicer setting, go to slicer setting. In option thing you have orientation, so we will select horizontal here. Okay, so basically we have four types of shipment mode: first class, same day, second class, and standard class. So the next slicer is this one. Okay, so the next one will be for category. Okay, so instead of shipment mode I'll select category. Okay, only three categories. I'll adjust this slicer here only. Okay, so these are the two slicer. Okay, so this will act as a filter. See, if I select the ship mode for first class and same day. Okay, so each and every data will get filtered according to this selection. Okay, I'll select second class as well. Like this it will work. Standard class. Let's say we will select each and every category as well. Furniture also. Okay, now the next thing is we will create one more slicer for selecting market. So I'll just select this slicer visual. We want markets right here. So market is here. We'll just check. Okay, so we have every market, so we will just keep it as like checkbox only. So let's say we want the data for these two markets. Okay, so each and every data will get filtered according to these two markets only. So this is the good thing about slicer, it will act as a temporary filter. Okay, now we want to show numbers for our dashboard, right? The main thing is we want to show numbers for our dashboard. So for that, what we will do, we will use one visual which is called as a card visual. Okay, so we have cards here. This is the card visual. The first thing is we want to show sales. Uh, we want title on. Title is sales. Want it in bold, central aligned. Let's say it should be 10 only. Okay, this call out value, let's say it should be 13. This should be bold. And the next thing is we don't want this category label. Okay, so this will be our first card visual. Okay, the next thing is we want to show profit. Okay, so instead of sell, what we will do, we will uncheck this sales and we will select profit. Okay, and see, we have to change the title. Okay, so instead of sell, we will select profit. Okay, let's say you want to fix the decimal number as well. So what you will do, you will go to this call out value option in visual option. Okay, and you'll select decimal value as 1 only. Same for this one. Select decimal value as 1. Okay, sales profit is done. After that, quantity. The third card will be quantity. So instead, we don't want profit, we want quantity. Okay, so instead of profit, what we will do, we will change the title. So go to this one, this will be quantity. And at last, we will add one more card. So instead of quantity, we will select shipping cost. This one. Okay, and again we will change the title. The title will be ship cost. We can have one more visual. Okay, so we'll select this one and paste. So instead of shipping cost, we can have a discount. Okay, so basically now we want to arrange this in more like aligned manner. So what we will do, we will select every card chart. Okay, go to format, click on align and distribute horizontally. Okay, so this is done. Now see, this is our final dashboard. Okay, which will work. Okay, for example, you want each and every data for this two categories, furniture and technology. We will uncheck this office supply. Okay, so these are the data for furniture and technology category only, so it will work. Okay, now what we will do, we will fix the like background thing. Okay, and other things we will fix. Okay, for getting a like better visual appearance. Okay, so for that, first we want to fix the background. Okay, let today like let's say we will create a dashboard in dark mode. Okay, so what we will do, we will fix the background color as black. Okay, so just go to this option, format your report page. Okay, after that, click on this canvas setting, and below the canvas setting we have canvas background option. Okay, just click on this canvas background, select the color as black. Okay, but black color is not appearing. Why? Okay, so see here we have one transparency. Okay, so just reduce the transparency. Okay, now the next thing is Okay, so it's working, right? The next thing is we'll change the background of these visuals. Okay, so first we will change the background of these two visuals, which are pie chart. Okay, so for changing the background, we have to use format your visual option. Okay, just click on this format your visual, go to general. Okay, go to effect, we have background option here. So for background we will select black color. Okay, then visual border, we will on it. Okay, we will enable this. Rounded corner, we will select 15 here. Okay, and for this border we will select white one. Okay, after that, see, whatever the things are written, it are not like appearing clearly. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will change the color. Okay, we will make the title as bold. Okay, text color, we'll make this as white one so that it will appear clearly in dark background. Okay, and central align we'll select. Data label, so for values we will select bold and color as white. Okay, after that we want legend. For legend in text we will again select bold and color as white. Okay, so now our visuals are like looking clearly. Okay, after that the same thing we will apply for these four visuals. Okay, so I'll apply quickly. Format visual, general. So in general, this will be bold, this will be white. Background, this will be black. Visual border, I'll just enable it. I'll click on white, and rounded corner I'll select 15. After that, I'll just go to this general, title is cut, make it bold. Okay, then it's look good. Okay, the next thing is this bar one. Okay, again I'll go to this format visual. Okay, the first thing will be effect. Okay, in effect background, so background we have already selected black color. Okay, visual border we will enable it, the border color will be white one, and for roundness corner we'll select 15. Okay, after that go to visual. For x-axis we'll select bold. See, each and every text we are making white, okay, so that it will clearly visible. Okay, after that again for y-axis, okay, the values will be bold, white color. Again for x-axis, bold white color. Okay, and go to general, title, it will be bold and in white color. Okay, done. Now two charts are remaining, two visuals are remaining. Okay, so like we want to align this title, so central align we'll select. Okay, the next thing is sales by subcategory. Okay, so we'll just format this visual as well. So same formatting we will do. See what we are doing. Just go to general. The first thing is title. Okay, make title as bold, select it as white, align central. After that, go to effect. Okay, background we want it in black color. Okay, transparency 0, we want border as well. The color of border should be white. Round corners we want, and select number as 15. Okay, now the next thing is go to visual. So basically on x-axis bold white color. Okay, similarly on y-axis bold white color. If you want data label, you can add data label here. Okay, data labels like this. You can change the color of data label as well. If you want, go to value, make it bold, make it white. You can reduce the size like this. Okay, so like we have formatted 5 visuals. Now we are formatting the 6th visual, which is the tree map. Okay, we'll just select this visual, go to general setting. Title will be black in white color, central align and bold. Okay, and the next thing is effect. So in effect, the color will be black. Visual border we will enable this one. We'll select white, and round corner we will select 15. Done. So this is our 6th visual. So we have formatted 6 visuals. Now we will format the slicers. Okay, so basically we have 3 slicer. We can select like 3 slicer at a time. Okay, because same kind of visual it is. Okay, so we have selected this 3 slicer. The background color, it will be black. Okay, visual border, it will be on. The color of border will be white, and the corners will be 15. Okay, now go to visual values, make it bold and select white color so that it will be like clearly visible. And the next thing is title. So for title also keep it on. As a header, make it white, make it bold. Okay, now slicers are fixed. Okay, and it is formatted as well. Now only these charts are remaining, so we will just select these 5 cards. Okay, we will just format. So for formatting, we know we have to use this format over visual option. Go to general, go to properties. Okay, so title, so title will be in white color. Okay, and it will be bold only. After that, go to effect, background, we know background color will be black. Visual border will be enabled, the color of border will be white, and yes, we are using round corner, the number will be 15. Okay, after that, values, right, call out value. The color will be white and it is already bold. Okay, so now see, this dashboard is looking like really good. So this is our final dashboard. I hope you have liked this. Let's check like whether it will work or not. Okay, so what we will do, we will select some more markets here. Okay, Africa and Canada is already selected. I'll select this one. I'll select these two. So it's working, right? Let's say we don't want same day. So we will just untick this same day. It's working. So it will change automatically based on your selection. Let's say you want to add one more market, US one. So according to your selection in this filter, okay, it will change. So this is our final dashboard. I hope you have liked the video. Okay, so in today's video, what we have learned, so basically creating a dashboard is a 5-step process. First, you have to understand the business, you have to understand the requirement. After that, you have to understand the data. The next thing is you have to transform or clean the data based on your requirement, means we have to change the data type. After that, we have to create different visuals, okay, based on our requirement. And at last, we have to do the proper formatting. Okay, so this is our final dashboard and it's working. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this one. Thank you.